So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I will be showing you how to check your credit score here on at Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom right and select More. There's a bunch of different options right here, but at the bottom it says Credit Score, Money Rules, Automatic Transfers. You guessed it, go ahead and select Credit Score. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and actually check your credit score. This is, I think, a soft credit check if I'm not mistaken here. So this would be your TransUnion credit score. So in order to go ahead and do this, you have to go ahead and sign me up right here. So press sign up, follow the instructions, and then you can view your credit score this way by running a soft credit check. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to check your credit score here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.